Hey guys, welcome back to your channel Lockdown Techie. Hope you all are doing safe in this pandemic time. As promised, today we'll be doing an unboxing of a gadget that is related to our kitchen. So we might have wondered that do we have any product which will save us from the walls that become oily and greasy, that saves us from the smoke that gets generated during cooking. So all these factors we might have thought, yes, there is a gadget for that as well. That's a chimney that we install, and those are automated chimneys that we have in our houses. So we will be unboxing one such automated chimney that I purchased recently, and I will tell you what factors I considered before buying a automated chimney for your house. So basically you will get chimney in roughly starting from 8-10,000 to 1 lakh, depending on the size, depending on the brand, depending on the motor, depending on the suction power that we have. Apart from that, this can be very helpful for us. Let's say if you have asthma tendency, and when you are inside a kitchen you face a lot of issues on that. So when the smoke gets generated, so this will be helpful during that time. Apart from that, all those smokes and all that gets stick to our wall during by the time when we keep on cooking and we don't clean that becomes very difficult for us, and that doesn't look good as well. That is very unhealthy for us. So in order to avoid all those, we will have a kitchen chimney installed in our kitchen. So first factor that I consider was the filters. We get three types of filters, but one is baffle, one is cascade, and one is carbon filter. But baffle filter is considered as one of the most effective and economical filters. It doesn't require rechanging very frequently in comparison to that, and it is widely used in all the chimneys as well. Next, I consider the size. You will get two variants, that is 60 and 90. That is depends on the circumference of the chimney that you see. I bought it for 60 centimeter. You will get a variant for 90 as well. I bought Hindware Niveo 60 centimeter chimney, and that has a baffle filter in it. The one of those best part that I consider was it is an auto clean. That means you don't need to clean every now and then. You have an option. When you click on that option, the rubber gets heated, and that will drain all your oil that it has generated to a oil box that is there down. So that becomes very helpful for us, and that's a very automated manner as well. You don't need to do anything like for manual ones. I bought it for 13,700 roughly, and it took around 750 for me to do an installation. So installation we'll do it in a next video. I'll show you how the guy came and they have installed. But today we'll be doing an unboxing. Apart from that, it has the technology that it uses for auto clean is thermal auto clean technology. That is a feature that I explained. That means all the rubber lining would be heated, and the oil gets deposited to one part. Apart from that, it has also baffle filter, which helps the smoke to pass on easily. It has two stainless lining where the smoke can easily escape. It has a motion sensor inbuilt in it. That means if you just move your hands, it will operate. And one add-on feature that I got is it has energy efficient lights on it. That means in any dark conditions I can use those lights instead of spending light and power and cost of the entire room. I can use that light and do my cooking as well. So without wasting time, these are all the reviews we have already done. We'll go ahead for unboxing, and I will show you some of those operations as well. on it as well. So if you see, I'm using the motion sensor to switch on. I can also use the motion sensor to increase the speed of the fan. You can hear the sound as well. As the speed of the fan increases, the suction increases. I'm pointing the baffle filter. You can see that baffle filter which helps. I'll use my hands to to power off. I used manual controls like touchscreen controls that are there on the control panel to operate that as well. So if you don't want to use that motion sensor, you can use it as well. If you press this, it will increase the fan speed. Now if you press this, it will switch on your LED lights, and if you press this button, then it will start your auto clean option. It will start from option 9 and it will keep on increasing, and that will auto clean your chimney. So that's it, guys. That's all, guys, for today. If you haven't liked the video, please do like the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel for all the tech videos that would be coming.